Simplify 4x over x plus 3 minus 4x over x plus 6. Now, if you're being asked to add or subtract fractions, the denominators have to be the same. Well, they're not. This is x plus 3, and that's x plus 6. Those are not the same. So the way you fix that is you take that denominator right here and multiply the other fraction by the denominator over itself. X plus 3, x plus 3. Similarly, you take this denominator over here and multiply that to x plus 6 over x plus 6. Now what you have is this. So let's actually multiply it out, or like write it out. So I have x plus 6 times 4x over x plus 6 times x plus 3 minus, so this is what I'm going to do, minus, let's do this, 4x x plus 3 over x plus 6 times x plus 3. Let's distribute. 4x times x is 4x squared. 4x times 6 is 24. 4x times x is 4x squared. How nice. 4x times 3 is 12x. And that's going to be over, let's FOIL this out, x times x is x squared. X times 3 is 3x. 6 times x is 6x. And then 18. And then we're going to get literally the same exact thing over here. X squared plus 3x plus 6x plus 18. Now that the denominators are the same, and by the way, the denominators simplify out to u. Now that they're the same and they simplify out nicely, I can say 4x squared plus 24, distribute the negative, so minus 4x squared, how nice, minus 12x. The 4x squared minus the 4x squared cancel each other out, and we are left with 24 minus 12x all over x squared plus 9x plus 18. Yuck, yuckity, yuck, 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 gross, gross, gross.